The Ultenic T10 Pro robot vacuum, a combination of vacuum and mop, provides a double cleaning effect with two rotating mops and a powerful 4,000 Pascals suction. Equipped with advanced light detection and ranging navigation technology, this robot vacuum accurately detects obstacles and allows the creation and storage of multiple custom maps for different spaces. This robotic vacuum offers hands-free convenience with its self-emptying station, capable of maintaining cleanliness for up to 60 days without any need for manual intervention. The T10 Pro has a unique feature of recognizing carpets and adjusting its cleaning mode accordingly, ensuring optimal performance and preventing carpets from getting wet in mopping mode. The Ultenic T10 Pro robot vacuum provides flexible and smart control options, allowing connection to Google Assistant and Alexa for voice commands, and also offering control via the Ultenic app. Despite its high-end features, the Ultenic T10 Pro robot vacuum is priced competitively at $449.99, and it has received positive reviews with an average score of 4.5 out of 5.